After opening Lectora, you'll see the Getting Started with Lectora screen. This screen is used to start or access titles, jump to training, see the latest news about our products, and quickly launch tools. In the Create a New Title section, you can choose from the many options available to start a new title. Select New Blank Title if you want to build a standard course, like one that is only going to be viewed on a desktop. Or select New Responsive Title if you want to design and build a course that renders well on phones and tablets. Use the Design Wizard to set up your course in 3 easy steps. Access My Templates to open templates you've previously created to speed up development. Using the internet, access the full repository of templates available from Trivanis by browsing our templates online. To import a storyboard or other type of PowerPoint presentation into Lectora, select the Import PowerPoint option. Easily share content between Lectora and Lectora Online by importing a Lectora Online package. You can also open recent titles by selecting them from the available menu or browsing through your local files. In the Learning Resources section, you'll find helpful information and links to content, like video tutorials and sample titles. You can also quickly head over to the Trivanis community to speak with other developers. In the Latest News section, you'll hear about interesting blog posts, important news, and upcoming updates on the product. Finally, in the Launch section, you'll have access to your free tools that come with your Lectora license, such as ReviewLink. Inspire customers can also access Camtasia, Snagit, and the eLearning Brothers template library, Cutout People library, and Interaction Builder. There's also an option to contact support if you need additional help. To start creating a course, select the option that best suits your needs. While Lectora Online's Getting Started page looks very similar, there are slight differences. From this screen, you can still start a blank or responsive title, import a Lectora Online package, access My Templates, import a PowerPoint presentation, open recent titles, access training resources, view the latest news, and contact support. Depending on your assigned role, you'll have access to tasks and administration within a Lectora title, like managing titles and organizing media.